Good morning everybody. Today is 12th of October 2020. The day is Monday. My name is Farhan Mazhar. Right now I am with the 10 metric class and we are working on the chapter number 13 of 10 metric physics. And today in this video our target is to do two numericals in the exercise. They are related with the Coulomb's law. So because in our last lecture we have already studied Coulomb's law and we have done two numericals already, 13.1 and 13.2 we have already done. Now today we are going to do 13.3. Somebody will like to read?
The force of repulsion between two identical positive charges is 0.8 Newton.
So there are two charges and they both are identical. So the charge here is Q, the charge here is also Q. And the force of repulsion between these charges is 0.8 Newton. So the both charges are identical. So one is Q, the other one is also Q. Yes?
When the charges are 0.1 meter apart,
the distance between the center of these two charges is 0.1 meter. That's the distance between them. Yes?
Find the value of each charge.
So we have to find out the value of the charge. According to Coulomb's law, the equation of the Coulomb's law is the force of attraction or force of repulsion is K, Q1, Q2 divided by R square. So K is 9 into 10 raised to power 9. Q1 and Q2 both are identical, so both are represented with the Q, and this is 0.1 and its square. The value of the force we know that is 0.8 Newton. So bring these things here. So it will be 0.8 into 0.1 square divided by 9 expo 9 equals to Q square. So Q square is equal. Do you have calculator with you? You have calculator? Okay. So do as I am saying. 0.8 multiply 0.1 square divide 9 expo 9 equals to, don't delete this answer. What is the answer?
8000
8000
over 9
0.9
divided by 9.
divided by 9. Take the under root. Under root answer on your calculators. Under root answer equals to 942.809. This is the answer? Is this the answer? Huh? So on the calculator I will write 0.8 multiply 0.1 square divide 9 expo 9 equals to. So the answer is, I don't know, this answer which came to be is 8.89 expo minus 13. So this is the answer. Okay, I don't know what you have done on the calculator. So under root answer equals to, so the final answer is 9.43 expo minus 7. So this is the answer. Check the answer.
Yes.
Is this the answer? So the charge on each of those is 9.43. This is numerical number 13.3. This numerical number is 13.3. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes.
Okay. Can we do one more?
Yes.
We can do one more. Yeah. This was better 13.3 numerical of the electrostatics. What would you like to read this?
13.4. Two charges repel each other with a force.
And then this is now I'm talking about 13.4, and he says two charges, they are not identical. One is Q1, the other one is Q2. And what is the distance between? The distance between them is how much?
5 centimeters.
The distance is 5 centimeters. Okay. So convert this 5 centimeter into meter. So it will be 0.05 meter. Yes, ma'am.
The forces between the same charges when they are 2 centimeters apart. Find the forces between same charges.
But he told you what is the force when the distance is this much. Read it again.
Two charges repel each other with a force of 0.1 Newton.
Okay, wait. The force is 0.1 Newton. You said this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so stop. So F is equals to K Q1 Q2 divided by R square. What is F? That is 0.1. What is K? 9 into 10 raised to power 9. And Q1 into Q2, we don't know their values. And this value is 0.05 and it's square. So 0.1 into 0.05 and its square divided by 9 expo 9 equals to Q1 into Q2. So the Q1 into Q2, that will be equal to how much? If you have your calculator, please write 0.1 multiply 0.05 square divide 9 expo 9 equals to 2.78 10 raised to power 2.78 into 10 raised to power minus 14. Okay. Now he says what I did. He says I changed the distance between them. This time he says how much is the distance?
2 centimeters.
So this is Q1, Q2, he says 2 centimeter, which means 0.02 meter. His question is what is the force? Okay? So you know force is equal to K, Q1, Q2 divided by R square. K value is 9 into 10 raised to power 9. Now Q1 multiply Q2, its value is how much? 2.78 into 10 raised to power minus 14 divided by, what is the R value? 0.02 and its square. So F will be equal to how much? But you have calculator with you. So whatever I am saying, do it. Write on your calculator. 9 expo 9 multiply 2.78 expo minus 14 divide 0.02 square equals to. So what's the answer? What is the answer?
0.6255.
0.6255 Newton. So the final answer will be 0.63 Newton. So what's the answer in your book?
0.63.
Do you understand this?
Yes.
So this was numerical number 13.4. In this video we are able to do 13.3, 13.4 numerical from the exercise of electrostatic chapter 13 of 10 metric physics. These are the numericals which are related with the Coulomb's law. So my name is Farhan Nazar. I was with the 10 metric class. So thank you very much. God bless you.